The Hippo D1608 is a portable digital mixer with 16 inputs and 8 outputs. It is compact and lightweight, featuring a 7-inch HD touchscreen. It also provides control software compatible with various platforms, including Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, and iOS. The control software enables remote wireless control, and its interface is consistent with the touchscreen interface. Each input channel includes a 4-band parametric equalizer, a compressor, a noise gate, polarity control, and delay. Each output features a 6-band parametric equalizer, low-cut and high-cut filters, a 31-band graphic equalizer, a compressor or limiter. It also comes with an adaptive notch feedback canceller and 4 effects channels. The 5 types of effects include mono delay, stereo delay, chorus, reverb, and pitch shift. Despite its small size, it is fully equipped, and the software interface is similar to most professional audio control software, making it easy to learn for engineers with an audio background. With 4 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can store audio files directly in the device for playback, effectively making it a high-quality digital player. It also supports external USB drives for recording and playback, compatible with most audio storage formats, while the USB can be used for backup and scene recall. This compact mixing console retains a motorized fader, offering an operational feel that a touchscreen cannot replace. Tapping any channel strip on the screen will turn it into the physical fader for that channel, allowing for flexible switching. The underlying hardware uses a Linux operating system customized for mixer, with an ARM control architecture that is streamlined, memory efficient, and fast in processing. On the front of the mixer, there are 8 microphone preamp inputs, each being a combo jack that can accept XLR connectors or 6.35mm TRS plugs. Note that the 6.35mm TRS input is a line input, which reduces the gain by 10 decibels from the original level, while the XLR connection is for microphone signals. This broad compatibility allows for connection with wired microphones, wireless microphones, line-level audio signals, instrument DI box signals, and conference systems. Input interfaces 9/10 are a pair of high-impedance inputs typically used for directly connecting instruments like guitars or basses. They can also accept other line-level signals, such as from music players, conference systems, or wireless microphones. The next 2 inputs are a pair of stereo inputs, 11/12 and 13/14, where one connector combines 2 channels. This uses a TRS connector with the tip as the left channel, the ring as the right channel, and the sleeve as the ground. Those with audio experience will be familiar with this common setup, as wired headphones connect this way. On this side of the mixer, there are 6 balanced XLR outputs, including the main left-right outputs and 4 AUX outputs. This is the headphone monitoring interface. When we press the solo button for a channel, we can monitor that channel's sound. We can also press multiple channels simultaneously for monitoring. The volume of the monitor headphones can be adjusted with the knob. This Ethernet port is used to connect to a network for remote control of the mixer or to connect to a wireless router. The client can then connect to this wireless network and use the corresponding control software to manage the console. USB 1 and USB 2 are used to connect USB drives for recording, playback, scene backup, and other functions. The operation logic of the mixer is straightforward. Tap the screen to switch pages, click the corresponding parameters, and use the knob for adjustments. There are quick left-right page turning buttons. The C button is for copying, the P button is for pasting, and the middle 0 button can reset the current output channel's gain to default, which is a blessing for perfectionists. Further up, there are quick access buttons for DCA groups, mute groups, and a very thoughtful effects mute. Whether for live streaming or performances, when a singer needs effects while singing and needs to quickly turn off the effects while talking to the audience, this switch is very convenient. This button quickly brings up the monitoring channel menu. This one jumps to the aux output configuration matrix, and this is the button to lock the mixer. Then there is a switch interface for all 48-volt phantom power. Note that each channel with a microphone preamp can individually enable phantom power, so by clicking the corresponding channel plus 48-volt phantom power button, you can quickly turn on phantom power for that channel.